The Dreame H12 Pro FlexReach is the perfect solution for effortless cleaning, built to handle both wet and dry messes with ease. From everyday spills like cookie crumbs and cereal to tougher messes like ketchup and pasta sauce, this vacuum does it all. A big thank you to Dreame for sponsoring this video. Don't miss out, grab yours today using the exclusive discount code at the link in the video description. One of its standout features is the innovative 180-degree lie-flat reach design, allowing the Dreame H12 Pro FlexReach to effortlessly glide under furniture, cabinets, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Unlike traditional vacuums that struggle with low clearance areas, this advanced design ensures no dust, dirt, or debris gets left behind. With the ability to fully recline to 180 degrees, it hugs the floor and fits into gaps as narrow as 5.51 inches, making it easier than ever to clean under beds, sofas, and coffee tables without the hassle of moving heavy furniture. The integrated Omni wheel on the back provides smooth left to right swiveling, minimizing strain on your wrists and eliminating the need to lift the vacuum, reducing fatigue and keeping surfaces scratch-free. Additionally, the used water tank securely captures dirty water, protecting the main motor and ensuring powerful suction even when laid flat. With greater flexibility and efficiency, you can achieve a more thorough clean in less time, tackling neglected areas where dust and allergens accumulate. Pet owners will love the Tangle Cut technology, which prevents pet hair and long strands from getting stuck in the brush, eliminating the need for manual cutting. The Tangle Cut Comb Tooth Resilient Scraper features sharp blades that effortlessly sever fur and long hair, preventing brush clogs and saving you the hassle of manually detangling. With its Tangle Cut Resilient Scraper, the H12 Pro FlexReach effectively captures and cuts hair tangles during mopping, keeping clogs at bay and minimizing the need for manual cleaning. Additionally, this advanced system ensures consistent suction power and uninterrupted performance, making it perfect for homes with pets or individuals with long hair. When cleaning is complete, the one-button self-cleaning function takes care of maintenance. The bi-directional brush rotation detangles hair, and the 90°C hot air drying feature ensures your vacuum stays fresh and odor-free. With the 15-minute runtime covering up to 3,500 square feet and edge-to-edge cleaning on both sides, the Dreame H12 Pro FlexReach is built for efficiency and convenience. Perfect for everyday messes, post-dinner cleanups, and pet fur, this vacuum makes cleaning faster, easier, and smarter. Get yours today using the exclusive discount code at the link below and experience the future of home cleaning today.